Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money on Udemy by selling your PLR video courses. Yes, you can download PLR video courses, something like this, and you can sell it on Udemy. In the last video I made about how you can sell these courses on Skillshare. It's full tutorial, go and watch that. Udemy is another platform where the people can buy courses. You can see the low as $9.99, sometimes $13.99 to $200. But again, you what's the difference between Udemy and Skillshare is on Skillshare you can take the customers, the paid customer on Skillshare have to watch your video, and you need to qualify for 30 minutes watch in your course. Then you qualify for the payout every single month. But on Udemy, then you don't have to worry about that. When everyone buy your course, you get paid for that, so you don't have to depend on the watch time. Before that, if you're new to my channel, guys, subscribe, press the bell icon. Also, if you really like our video, click the like button on the bottom of the video. It will help me out a lot, and I know that you guys like this video, so I can make video every single day. I make videos on money making, money saving, tutorials and everything to build a successful online business. So if you really like a video, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to like our video. So how you gonna make money on Udemy? There's a 3 ways that you can make money. The first way is called Instructor Promotion. So when your course is public, there's a referral link for your course, and use that link and you promote it to your followers and friends, right? Then whenever the people come and click your link and buy your course, you can keep 90% of the revenue, and 3% is processing fee charged by Udemy. So you keep larger part of your profit because you made the course and you done the promotion yourself. That's the thing. The second thing is called Udemy Organic, which means whenever the people come to Udemy search engine and they buy your course, you're gonna keep 50% of the revenue because Udemy is the one bringing the customer, so you're gonna keep 50% of that revenue. The third one is called paid user acquisition channel sales. I think I understand how this work is. When you see a Udemy advertisement on YouTube, there's a deal advertisement going on, so you can get the course in half a price, something like that. So when you apply for that, and you can keep 25% of the profit because Udemy gonna give that course in discounted rate, something like that. So you can keep 25% of that money. Still, it is money, but you are not going to make any courses, right? I already mentioned that you can go to PLR website like this one, and you can download these video courses and sell it on Udemy. There's an issue, guys. On Skillshare, when you publish a course, there's something they written on term and condition. I found it last night about PLR. Sometimes they don't allow PLR courses on Skillshare. They will remove it because the PLR courses are made by others, not by you, so they remove it. If your course is removed when you publish on Skillshare, you can also go to reapply. You can send an email that you can say you have a full rights to publish and sell the course. Then they will remove that barrier, something like that. Okay, but this is one issue with Skillshare. But Udemy, there's no issue with that because I'm going to show you how to resolve that PLR issue on Udemy, guys. So when you sign into Udemy is a free account. You don't have to pay monthly subscription. There is no free trial or something like that. Just go and create a free account. You can buy a course and study today, or if you don't want it, there's a section called become an instructor. I already become instructor, that's why you saw instructor here. So if I click that, it will take to my dashboard where I can upload my courses. As you can see here, my TikTok course that I already published on Skillshare is already published here, but it's waiting for that review. I will mention the entire process in the end. So continue to watch that video, guys. If you liked it, click the like button on the bottom of the video. So this is the dashboard. You can learn everything from here, the performance analytics and your courses and everything. If you come here, it will show an add new course. If you click that, it will take you to the entire process of adding courses. It will say it will guide you through from top to bottom, so you can upload or fulfill the information. So for example, if I click this one and to edit, I can show you from top to bottom how the adding courses is working, guys. So when you come to here, this is the first part, target your students. So you ask a couple of questions about your course. What will the students learn from the course? You can say TikTok marketing, social media marketing. You can add many answers because it's narrowed down the SEO and the research for the students. When people search for TikTok marketing, if you put what will your students learn from this course, you put TikTok marketing, and Udemy can put your course in front of that student. So you need to answer that this section be carefully. So what will the students learn in your course? My course is about TikTok marketing, so I put that. Are there any requirement? There's no requirement, put no. Who are the target students? For beginners. That's it, and click save and go to the second section called course structure. In here you don't have to do anything, but they will give a tips about how to make a lecture, how to shoot a video, how to edit, and how to upload. So this is all about that. Setup and test videos, all about that. So you go and learn about that. And if you come to click here, film and edit, again they will talk about how to film and edit videos, so you can go and learn about that section too. Then this is called curriculum, where you can upload your courses. So what you have to do in this class is different. You can copy and paste entire video, but here is different. This is you need to add each section for each characters or each chapter, sorry. So you can learn that on Udemy free course. They will teach you how to make and upload courses on Udemy, so you can learn from that, or otherwise you can learn from this video. So when you have to come to this section, and if you go to this bottom page, you can show the plus sign. If we click that, it will add a new section. If that new section, you can say chapter 1, or you can say because this first section is called introduction, you can say the second topic, whatever the title is, the second topic. So when you done that, add section, it will add this section. For example, say for example, what we show is TikTok. So we want to let you know how this works. Okay, TikTok. If you type that, this is a section, so it will add that. Inside the section, you can say plus sign inside here. If you click that, it will ask you what you want to add. You can add a lecture, you can add quiz, you can add coding exercise, practice test, and assignment. So okay, inside each section you can add as many as sections. So for example, inside the section you can add, if you want to add a different lectures. So for example, if you see in a Udemy course, there's a one section. Inside the one section there's a different category. For example, how to make money online. Then if there is a 10 way, so you got to put how to make money online here, and there's a 10 how to make money online here for the section, and inside that is 10 different ways. So you can divide that into here with the short tutorial, so that viewers can follow through it easily. That's a good thing about Udemy, is you can divide them in section by section, and inside the section you can add different lectures and quiz and assignments, so people can read through it. When you add your video, it will take a couple of minutes to preview and become available here. Once you've done that, click save and continue. Caption and optional, which means you can add the title. If you done caption privately, you can add it for each video, otherwise you don't have to, because this is only optional. And courses and landing page, where you gonna fill all the information. First you need to put the title, that's necessary, and the course subtitle. You need to put a course subtitle. You can put the same thing, or you can shorten the word and put it there. And the course description, you can just copy that from your PLR website. And basic information with their language, beginner levels, and select levels, or until beginner levels. And what is category is marketing. Inside the marketing, what is subcategory is called social media marketing. Now what is the primarily taught on your course? You need to put this information, otherwise you can't say the course. So for example, what is primarily taught in your course? If you click social, and it will automatically give you social media. You can see social media marketing, social media management. Then you can add as many as per subject that you taught on this course. when you add that, you need to add your course image. The size is between 750 times 422 pixel. So you on PLR courses, sometimes the PLR owner doesn't want you to edit own images, so you had to upload the image that already they provide you, so you can go and resize the image. So this normally this image is big, so I resize that into 750 to 422, or you can upload it and crop it using Udemy editor here. And also promotional video you need to add so people can just come and click your promotion. On Udemy, before people buy the course, there's an introduction for the course, so they can know what they're going to learn in that course, then they can buy it. So that's why you need to have a promotional video. You don't have to make one, you can put the introduction of the course that you're going to find on PLR video series. So you put that introduction here and click save. And if you go to pricing, the low cost is $9.99, and go to tier 2, tier 3 first. Go with low cost, then you can go if you have a good course you can go high price, but go as low as minimum for now. On promotion, what you have to do is, this is the link that you can copy and promote it, or you can do like coupon. You can create a coupon, so $9.99 you can create a discount coupon and share with your friends and everyone, guys. And if you click course message, this is the final part where you need to give a welcome and congratulation message. You can put it, write down something, or you don't have to do that. Okay, that's not important, but it's good to write something. So welcome message, you to inform that, or what is this course about, what you're going to learn in this course, something like that. And congratulation message, you can say, okay, thank you for completing this course, and I will upload different courses, so follow us here and social media. Or you can ask him to go to a certain website to download some free bonuses, and how you can collect the email letter, something like that. You can say it, or you don't want to say it. That's it, guys. Then click submit for review, and this message will open up. In this message you can see, please submit a video to this email address for verification Udemy, to claiming either ownership of the content, or that you have obtained a necessary right to use content you are publishing. This is the one I talked about earlier, guys. On Udemy, you can make your own course and publish it. That means you have the 100% ownership. If you are publishing PLR or any other others video, you need to obtain necessary rights. So when you download PLR from here, you have a master resale site, you have every single license and everything to resell it on anywhere, so you don't have to worry about that. That's the thing with Udemy, but Skillshare doesn't show you anything. They will remove the course automatically, but Udemy, they give you two options, that you either 100% ownership, or you have to obtain a necessary right to resell this course. And on the video, turn you or use your mobile phone, say your full name and say the course that you are publishing here, and the statement follow this under the penalty and perjury, that I am the original owner of the content used in my course, and I, if applicant, have a secured all necessary right to use content owned by other individual. And record that video and send that video to this email address. Also write it down, this entire sentence. So in the body of the email, please include all the all this in writing also. Then send it to them. Once you send it there, and they will review it, and you publish your course. Right now, because of this current condition, the review process is a little bit longer. It will take up to 6 days. You can see, due to the increased volume of the new courses being submitted for review, the quality review process may take up to 6 days. Once they review it, they will publish your course, and you can earn money from it, guys. Either it's depend on you guys, because Udemy get monthly traffic, millions of monthly traffic, but people are not looking for your course, they're looking for different courses. So there's a 10% chance that you're gonna sell your course through organic traffic from Udemy, but it's 90% depend on you, that you promote this using social media and any other platform in order to get traffic to them. How you can get the traffic? This course is $9.99. You can create a coupon for half a price, or you can create a coupon for $9.99 or $4.99, whatever that, and promote that, and you can make money from Udemy. You don't create any courses, you don't spend hours of time, because you have a full rights to resell your PLR video course and you upload it in Udemy, because Udemy allow that to upload summoners courses, and if we have full resale rights, guys, then you can make money from it. Thanks guys for watching. For the giveaway, if this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon, also like our videos. If you've done three of those things, go to comment section, write I like this video, put your PayPal address, and I'll pick a winner for next video when this video had 100 likes. Until that, have a good day and see you in next video, guys.